Hey, it's Asia Marie 11. Keep on vibing, keep on thriving, keep on saying peace, spread the word. Today I am going to do an unboxing video of a really cool sculpture. This sculpture was actually from Germany. I don't remember who made the sculpture, but it's one of the most beautiful sculptures I have seen. So, no further ado, I'm gonna get this and show you it. So excited! Been watching the mail like a hawk for 2.5 weeks. So here we go. There's 2 of them. Wow, this is nice. This is the female, the nymph. Pretty heavy. And I'm gonna show you the other one. So excited, my very first sculpture ever owned. Wow. And this is the Sculptor. And these two actually go together. You can separate, you can do whatever you want with it. They actually put to go like that. That's my new sculpture that I bought. Beautifully made. It's made out of brass. Real brass. The sculpture, if I can figure out what's the name of the person who made it. There's supposed to be a name on this thing. I can't find it. Fuzzies. The person who made this is Greb. If you can see the focus a little bit. I don't know if you can see it. So basically, that's my new sculpture. They are real brass, and they're kind of heavy, but it's a comfortable weight for me. A little dusty, but that's fine with me. I don't care. I'll wash it up, clean it up, and make it look nice. I'll give you a close-up of each. This is the nymph. And this is the satyr. I'll show you the face up close. Camera, really? Come on. There it is. I don't know if I can zoom on this. Nope. Alright. That's what it looks like. The face looks like. And I'll show you what the female looks like. So I'm showing it sideways. That's the nymph. You can position it in any way you want. I'm most likely going to place it near my plants or something. I don't know. This is my very first brass figurines I ever owned, ever. So this is going to be a new experience for me. So I'm really excited. Probably in the near future, I might collect more. Actually starting a new hobby, collecting brass figurines in this particular size. They're actually these are 3.75 to 4.5 inches tall. And that's actually a very comfortable size for me because I tend to do these. Put in my pockets and see you later. Bye. Oh God, these are heavy. So that is a nice size, very comfortable. I can put them like this or like that or whatever. So that's my new last sculpture ever owned. Really excited, and I did mention I'm gonna be starting a new hobby. It's gonna be start collecting glass figurines, and I'm also gonna start collecting cars. I love trucks. I love collecting action figures. I'm a hobbyist. I collect plants too. Starting to, but keep on vibing, the right says peace. Spread the word.